include icons and animations. They also include HTML text, menu bars, and charts. Symbols are simply graphic elements that you can use in your documents to save you design time and make your work easier. Fireworks CS6 offers you a myriad of pre-built symbols that you can use. However, it's also simple enough to create your own. In this lesson, we'll learn how to create a symbol, place a symbol into a document, add symbols to the common library, edit a symbol, break the link between a symbol and an instance of a symbol, use pre-built symbols, create nested symbols, and use 9-slice scaling. Symbols are reusable graphic elements that you can use in your documents. Fireworks CS6 offers you 3 types of symbols that you can use: graphic, animation, and button. Whenever you place a symbol into your document, you're actually placing a linked copy of the symbol. The linked copy is an instance of the symbol. You can place as many instances as you want. Symbols can be found by either going to the Document Library panel or the Common Library panel. Symbols in the Document Library can only be used in the current document. However, those in the Common Library can be used in any document. If all of this sounds confusing right now, don't worry. Once you see actual examples of symbols in this lesson and start creating them for yourself, you'll see how much time symbols will save you and how easy they are to use. Graphic symbols are single state. This means they don't change states like rollover or animated graphics would require. To show you how to create a graphic symbol, we've selected a logo we created by drawing then grouping vector shapes. We want to turn this logo into a symbol. Go to Modify, Symbol, Convert to Symbol to convert the graphic to a symbol. You'll then see the Convert to Symbol dialog box. Enter a name for the symbol in the name field. Make sure that graphic is checked since we're creating a graphic symbol. Click OK. Take a look at the Layers panel. You'll see our new symbol in the Layers panel. There's an icon in the lower right-hand corner of the thumbnail that lets us know this is a symbol. If you look at that document, you'll see a blue plus sign. This lets us know it's an instance of a symbol. You can convert text, images, or any image or object into a symbol. In the last section, we created a logo. Let's say that we now want to place that logo on other pages in our document. To place a symbol in a document, go to the Document Library panel. You can see the symbol we just created listed in the panel. Simply drag the symbol from the Document Library panel and place it where you want it in your document. When you add a symbol to the document library, the symbol can only be used in that particular document. In order to make a symbol available to other documents as well, you need to add it to the Common Library. To do this, select the logo in the Document Library panel. Click the Menu Options button in the top right corner of the panel and then select Save to Common Library. You'll then see the Save As dialog box. Enter a name for the symbol and then press the Save button. Our logo is saved in the Custom Symbols folder. Now go to the Common Library panel. You can see our logo in the Custom Symbols folder. Editing a graphic symbol is as easy as editing any other object in Fireworks CS6. There are only a few extra steps, and those are simple too. Let's use our logo as an example once again in order to show you how to edit a symbol. Here we have 2 instances of our logo symbol. We're going to edit one. Use the pointer tool to double-click on one of the instances. As you can see, the other instance appears faded. Also, you can see a dark gray bar at the top of the document window that says Page 1 and Starburst. This is a breadcrumb bar that lets you know you're in a symbol editing mode. This mode is called Edit in Place. It can also be reached by going to Modify, Symbol, Edit in Place. Next, we're going to click on the Sub-Selection tool in the Tools panel. Remember, our logo contains 6 vector shapes that we grouped together. By using the Sub-Selection tool, we can edit each vector element individually without ungrouping them. We're going to select the star. Now let's go to the Properties panel. We're going to give it a stroke. Our symbol now looks like this. When we're finished, we click on Page 1 in the breadcrumb bar and then save the file. To create a button symbol, select the object that you want to make into a button. Go to Modify, Symbol, Convert to Symbol. You'll then see the Convert to Symbol dialog box. Select Button for the type. Click OK. You can then apply states to the button. You can apply up to 4 states to a button: up, down, over, and over while down. A 2-state button has the up and down states. 3 and 4-state buttons have the over state and the over while down states. There's also a wide variety of pre-made buttons in the Common Library. You can double-click on the button to go into editing mode and then look at the States panel. You'll see the 4 states listed. However, the button's appearance only changes for the first state. To change any of the other states, click on the state in the States panel and then go to the Properties panel and click Copy Up Graphic. Then use the pointer tool to click on the button. You can change the color, texture, and otherwise modify the appearance of the button for the selected state. To create an animation symbol, go to Edit, Insert, New Symbol. You'll then see the Convert to Symbol dialog box. Enter a name for the new symbol. Put a check mark beside Animation and then click OK. Now you can draw an object on the document. We're going to draw an arrow. Exit out of the editing mode by clicking Page 1 in the breadcrumb bar. Now you can go to the Properties panel and add new states. If you want to edit an instance of a symbol without the changes affecting every other instance, you must first break the symbol link or the link from the instance to the actual symbol. To do this, go to Modify, Symbol, Break Apart. That instance then becomes a group. The symbol that appears in your document library isn't associated with it. If the symbol was a button symbol, it will lose its button symbol characteristics. If it was an animation, it will lose its animation symbol characteristics. The following instance properties can be modified without breaking the link or affecting the symbol or other instances of it: opacity, filters, X and Y coordinates, blending mode, and width and height. Fireworks CS6 offers you so many pre-built symbols you may find that you don't even have to create many of your own. You can find all of the pre-built symbols in the Common Library panel. Click on any of the folders to see the symbols in the folders. You can then drag any symbol onto our document to place an instance of it. For symbols that have several states, Fireworks CS6 may ask you if it can add additional states to your document to accommodate the symbol. Take the time to drag different symbols onto your document to see what they are, and how they can make designing easier for you. A symbol that's created within a symbol is called a nested symbol. You may use nested symbols to create a header or other design element. To create a nested symbol, draw a vector object on your page, then convert it to a symbol as you learned to do in this lesson. Next, double-click on the plus sign in the center of the symbol on your document using the pointer tool. This will take you into its editing mode. Remember, in editing mode, you'll see the breadcrumb bar at the top of your document area. Once you're in editing mode, draw another vector shape. Convert it to a symbol as well. Click Page 1 in the breadcrumb bar to return to normal mode and exit out of editing mode. The circle symbol is now a nested symbol of the star symbol. Now you can create more nested symbols. When you convert an object to a symbol, one of the options you can choose is to enable 9-slice scaling. 9-slice scaling allows nested symbols to be scaled individually. If you want to use 9-slice scaling, make sure the option is checked when you convert the nested objects to symbols. To use 9-slice scaling, double-click the plus sign on the symbol to enter its editing mode. You can then use the pointer tool to click on different nested symbols and then edit their properties.